Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration WS19 RPV. Mitsubishi L200 Double Cab DID 150 Warrior 4WD. It has done 51,000 miles with full service history. The vehicle runs and drives perfectly with no warning lights. The DPF has been deleted, hence the vehicle being sold with no warranty. Part exchange to clear, sold as seen. No warranty given or implied. DPF has been deleted. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.